red carpet, aren't they, Phil?
Yeah. Red carpet.
Right.
It's what we want, isn't it? Is this called Tapas Alley?
Yeah.
It's, I think this is Tapas Alley, yeah?
Yeah, it is. Yeah, so it's all the different. It's very touristy though, isn't it?
Yeah, it looks it, doesn't
Yeah.
it? So, this is where all the tapas bars are. I think they're the more expensive ones, aren't they? Because there's a cheaper version, isn't there?
Tapas Central.
Oh, the circle.
Circle, sorry, yeah.
Tapas
It's like a
circle.
horseshoe, isn't
Yeah.
it?
Which is interesting. So, if you like, hi. No, thank you. So,
Go through.
yeah. Tapas. And that was Tapas Alley. I don't really know what's special about tapas, do you?
No, not really. You either like it or you're not really fussed.
Yeah. There's a sweet shop all decked out for Christmas.
Oh.
Candy bars. Christmas treats.
These little lights are nice.
Little, we have been down that bit, yeah. During the day.
Yes, just haven't seen the lights.
Yeah. And we've been up there. That's where the
that's where you go
castle is.
For the castle. Castle Benidorm. Are we going to go along the water edge here?
Yeah, we might as well.
Just big lollipops. I love Benidorm. Well, you've never got that in your mouth, Phil.
Yeah, but Debbie would, from Dallas.
I'm sure she would. What about Sticky Vicky?
I don't mind about Sticky Vicky.
When in Benidorm, Phil.
Indeed.
Look at these
Christmas lights.
twa dogs, Phil.
Christmas lights. Everywhere. Twa dogs.
Actually, I like them.
3 dogs.
Twa dogs.
That's 2 dogs.
No.
Twa dogs.
Oh, yeah. 2 dogs.
What's 3?
And twa. Twa.
Oh yeah, twa dogs, 3 dogs.
3 dogs.
And
in French, anyway.
yeah.
And is there another one on there?
We don't know. There's people on the beach here. Walking the dogs.
The dogs here. Is there?
Yeah.
Look how lovely that sand is, though.
I know, it's pristine,
Amazing,
isn't it? These lights aren't particularly Christmassy, they're just here all the time.
They're nice, though. The pink ones would go all the way down.
Yeah,
Lovely.
they are. 3 dogs.
Oh, I tell you what, that's rushing in, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, the tractor's just been down to smooth out the beach. He's doing a good job of.
He's coming back this way. He's done them two there.
Yeah,
Two
he will.
levels.
He will do.
He doesn't do all of the beach, surely, does he?
He must do.
Yeah.
He works through the night, don't he?
To have a Pristine for the following day for people to walk on again and then
Yeah.
repeat the process all over again.
It's just like ploughing a field, I suppose.
Yeah.
Rather than
And
ploughing
I
it, you're smoothing it.
suppose- Yeah. And I suppose it's... What's the advantage then?
I don't know. Maybe it keeps it level.
Firmer. If it's softer sand, maybe.
It just keeps it level and
Yeah.
people don't trip up so much
Yeah.
when they're walking on
Because
it.
it being so soft, Phil, it goes right the way down a bit. doesn't
Yeah, it does a bit.
it? So,
People like build sandcastles and stuff.
Yeah.
You want to knock them down and so you don't
look at
get
them waves
mounds.
coming in, though, Phil, yeah.
I know.
It is very soft sand, isn't it?
It is soft sand, yeah.
And it can be tricky.
This is Levante Beach now, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah.
But there's no one out really walking on it except for
No,
two people.
no one walking on it.
Which do you prefer, the well-treaded area or the smooth?
I like the smooth because I just want to make a mark on it.
Oh, I wouldn't do that to him.
Yeah.
He's been up and down that beach all bloody night.
He has.
Are we carrying on all the way down the sandway?
No, we don't have to.
I want to see him come back up so you can get a good shot of him.
But he's got a long way to go. Got to go down to the end.
Oh, he's not going up to the bloody bottom, surely.
I think he is.
Should we go and sit on the flats?
I don't know.
Wait for him to come down.
We can do. Let's go over
Go
there.
over and get some footage.
Yeah,
Because I think it's quite unique, isn't it?
it
I
is.
feel how deep that goes,
It's very soft and dry.
isn't it?
Yeah,
Oh, it is.
it's the beach tractor. He's flattening the beach and making it pristine for the next day, which is great, isn't it? Beach tractor. There he goes, making a great job of sanding out the beach. It's lovely, isn't it? Holiday makers. He does it for you and me. Not going to go on the beach and ruin his work. So that was worth waiting for.